Look across the DFW mid-cities, places like Grapevine and Southlake, and you'll see a booming local economy. But behind the storefronts and service lots, owner-operated businesses are actively losing leads to competitors. It creates a frustrating paradox. Owners are working longer hours, yet hitting a hard growth ceiling because their days are consumed by repetitive computer tasks, and they're missing crucial after-hours phone calls. The traditional response is to hustle harder or hire more entry-level staff to handle the paperwork. But truly scaling a service business requires resilient systems rather than simply throwing more human labor at administrative bottlenecks. Any operation that relies entirely on manual human intervention for its basic, repetitive tasks will always face a strict limit on its revenue potential. Practical AI deployments provide a direct path to recapturing this lost revenue through tools built specifically for the local service market. In an AI assessment, we start at the business operations node, scanning outward to detect where time and money are leaking. We map out invisible inefficiencies, pinpointing where your website fails to rank, and identifying administrative workflows where machines can do the heavy lifting. Diagnosing these specific operational leaks anchors the technology to your business reality. We build actual solutions, not theoretical research projects. Once we know where the leaks are, we start patching them. The first operational fix is getting found online, which today requires answer engine optimization, or AEO. Traditional local SEO focuses strictly on fighting for position in Google Maps. AEO targets modern AI search platforms like ChatGPT and Claude. This split-screen comparison shows exactly why that matters. On the left, traditional search dumps your customer into a crowded directory list. On the right, data-driven AEO strategies ensure your business is actively recommended as the single definitive answer by the AI engine. Mastering AEO removes you from the crowded, competitive marketplace and places you right in front of a local customer as the undisputed, authoritative solution. Of course, getting found is only half the battle. You have to capture the lead the exact moment they discover you. Traditional answering services fall short here. They merely take messages, which introduces friction, delays your response, and gives a warm lead plenty of time to turn cold. A modern AI voice agent operates entirely differently. It sounds natural, actively qualifies the caller's needs, and directly books appointments on your calendar 24 hours a day. Deploying a round-the-clock voice agent plugs the missed call revenue leak entirely. Every marketing dollar you spend has a direct path to a booked appointment. Scaling also requires addressing back-end operations, specifically the manual friction that occurs immediately after a lead is captured. Think about the massive amount of employee time drained by manual data entry, sending follow-up emails, and meticulously updating CRMs. This timeline tracks a standard operating procedure from trigger to schedule. We use custom web apps and no-code AI tools to translate those manual steps into a single, continuous, automated flow line that runs without anyone babysitting it. Automating these back-end workflows restructures your business model. Your human team is freed from the admin slog and can focus exclusively on revenue-generating client work. As these systems integrate, from AI-powered discovery to automated fulfillment, a local business begins to operate with significantly less busy work and higher margins. The success of this system comes down to practical implementation. It's built on a foundation of over 25 years of real-world B2B enterprise sales experience. These advanced AI systems establish the new standard for dominating a local service market in an increasingly automated economy. If you run a company in Grapevine or anywhere across the DFW Metroplex, it's time to initiate this operational shift. Take the first step by booking a discovery call with Ken Hamilton at AI Abundance Grapevine. You'll get a clear, personalized AI assessment grounded in your actual business data. Stop bleeding leads to your competitors. Make the call and start running a fully optimized revenue-capturing machine.